Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call. Today, Tuesday, the 3rd of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday, and there was only a little bit of data released. The first was from the UK, it was PMI manufacturing numbers, and they came in on forecast. At 54.4, not much movement. The GBP did lose a little bit of ground, specifically the cable. It's still continuing in that direction. It's fighting. Have we found the bottom? I'm not sure. But that was mainly due because from the US, we saw their PMI manufacturing number come in at 60.2, which was stronger than the forecasted, which gave an impetus to the US dollar, and it did dominate most of the pairs that it is compared against. Specifically to note, the Aussie dollar dropped yesterday as a result of this. All right, time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I have found for us this morning. Incidentally, before I show you, yesterday's chart of the day didn't trigger the candle that we were looking at, spiked higher, so basically it made that setup invalid. So today's chart of the day is, it's a US CAD, and I believe we spoke about this one in masterclass yesterday. You can see that we are in trend. The market's been going up, down, higher highs and higher lows, and now we've pulled back and we've produced a really nice inside candle situation over here. So on the basis that we are in trend, if the market should continue, should we break the candle, the inside candle on the upside, on the high side, well then that would trigger us into the market. Should we break it on the downside, you would need to go back and cancel out a pending order, your buy stop pending order. So there you have it. The US CAD daily is our chart of the day this morning. What's happening in the session which is about to kick off? Well, locally in Australia we have our RBA rate statement and interest rate decision. That comes out at 2:30, so look out for that one. There's no expected rate changes to be made, but the statement could be the one that plays an impact on the market for us. And then at 6:30 from the UK we have the construction PMI numbers, and that wraps up the data for the session which is about to kick off. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.